of the Academe, to our guest of honor, to our parents and companions, to our newly licensed professional electronics engineers, and to all my fellow electronic technicians and electronics engineers, a very pleasant afternoon. Before anything else, I know most of you are bored and tired. Don't worry po, I will try to be brief kasi gutom na rin po ako. Yeah. When I was asked to make a speech, to be honest, I was lost. Speeches aren't really my thing po kasi. Back in UP po, we were asked to submit a speech to deliver on behalf of the graduates. I did not submit. The truth is, hindi ko po alam kung paano ko po kayo may inspire. Hindi po kami mayaman, pero hindi ko rin naman pong masasabing sobra naming hirap. I was not born with a silver spoon on my mouth, pero we had enough to make ends meet.